Hi, my name is Harvestmoon. I'm playing Angry Bird Dog. Oh, what I said.
What?
I said what I said. I
Hey.
don't want to say Angry Bird Big Toy at me.
No.
And I got, what? Oh,
You'll start over?
no, it's okay though. But anyway, this is called Super Bomber. What the hell was that? But anyway, this is called Super Bomber. He will be blacker, but he doesn't black bomber. He has a little fire up here, see? Right there, that's his fire. And we're guessing, we're actually, I love my grandma, I already love him. I love her. But anyway, this is called Iceberg. He froze every pig and every block. This is I King Pig. I King Pig actually froze. And Frozen Helmet Pig. And this one called Super Bluebird. He actually popped into three came from the Bluebird. But hey, where's Super Redbird? Where did he go? Where's Super Redbird? Hi everyone, my name is Harvestmoon. I'm 7 O's. I will play Angry Bird Big Toys. And this one actually is a basic. Hello, little thingy on top of a little white dot. It's cute. It's cute because sometimes pigs throw it from birds. Well, like falling. But anyway, I'm playing right now, right here, right now. So I'm starting to make the Angry Bird Big Toy talk. And a TNT. But anyway, so let's start this now. I want the way. I want it right now. Everyone, King Piggy. Helmet Pig, come here. What? Can you do egg for us? I will. Ha, I got it. Yeah, we'll go get a car to ride on. A big car. Wow. That's a big car. But if Bird tries to blow the big car out, we need to find different cars as we grab them. So we'll try it. I can't reach. How will you? Here we go. We're inside a base car. Ah! Whee! What? Doesn't the broke in it? This is TNT. Ooh, that's fire. Oh yeah, I have a bunch of fire. But, well, with the driving, oh my god. That is a cave with with a super my eagle. It actually eats fish a can of fish. We'll go turn around because we don't want to get killed. Because we're pigs. We don't get... Hey, we know it. Oh, let's stop. Oh! Oh, it's knowing! It's awesome! It's knowing everywhere! Outside, it's awesome! Whee! Camping! I'm right here. I think a little bit grassy. Alright, let's see too. Well, anyway, wait. Hey, I'm a driving this car. What about me? Well, you actually, I will take care of this. Well, thank God, you are so awesome. I am. I just can't grab egg right. I want to get egg. Oh my God, I need egg. it, Piggy. Wasn't looking away. You're a good job, Pig. I'm proud of you, Piggy. I guess so. You want to follow me? I guess so, if I want to, but I guess. So, this is where we blow up their car? Yeah. And brew it. That's okay though, but I don't want you. I'm Piggy. I can Pig. We live here, you know that? Yeah. Look at that egg. What eat it? We'll cook it and eat it for us. Yeah, what do you do, TNT? We're actually cooking out the egg. Yeah, we are. Yeah, awesome. Hey, we're egg. I'm freaking retard iceberg. Oh my god, we're egg. I don't know, iceberg. well, where egg gonna go? Well, Bomber actually blew up and died. I am a real Bomber. That freaking retard Bomber kind of retard looking, but I'm not. You mean, so I don't know where egg. Yeah, where egg ground is. Baby iceberg. Don't call my baby iceberg freak toad. Are you freaky? No. Are you? Are you? Are you? Stop fighting each other. I really want our egg back so we can have it for tonight to sleep with. Okay, so stop fighting. Hey! We need our help. What? You said I'm grounded. You really Bomber? Well, he said it was actually a good idea. So that means let him help. Well, yeah, we will need his help because he stole our eggs. What? What? Yeah, he did steal our eggs. He paid even helmet pig. And he right there. We need to beat him up. But I can't. A forfeit and blocking away. You freak little birds. Never get our egg we can eat. Ha! Oinky oink. Oink. Anyway. You retard little helmet pig. Iceberg! No! My poor best friend Iceberg. Oh! Come on, Bluebird. Bluebird? Bluebird dead. What? He was alive now, he dead? Oh, I guess I'm... Oh, no. In my chance, I can't do it. If I do it. Hey, don't get your A back. I'm definitely A, I promise. I definitely have it. You're not having it. What are you doing? He said he want to eat cook. Thank you. Coming in. Yes, I finally said A. Yay. What? You said you were going to eat it. Ugh! That's it. I said egg with my friends, like Hyper and Bomber, even our Bomber and Bluebird are dead together. But I'm still alive. I got this. Yay. Whoa. Hey, where's his clothes? Ow.